To talk about one of our favourite sidekicks. We have created our own custom GPT called Polly the Prompt Librarian. The reason for this? Well, across the team, we've been finding that we're creating some great prompts, and we're also searching for great prompts. And sometimes we remember to share them with each other, and sometimes we don't. But we realised that it would be really good to have a central place to keep them all. But the question was how and where should we do that? So we thought we'd create a custom GPT, and so that I can introduce you now to Polly the Prompt Librarian. Well, how does it work? Well, we've got some starters here, but you can also use the chat box to ask Polly to help you create a prompt. But let's start with an easy one. I need a prompt to plan a marketing campaign. What Polly's going to do now is go and look at the library that we've created and uploaded into the custom GPT. So if we've already got some great prompts, that's what it will use and serve up, and it will give all of the information that you need to be able to use that prompt effectively. So you'll see here that when the prompt comes in, it gives you some great descriptions that you can use to get the prompt right. And it will also tell you what things to include to get the best results from that prompt. And rather helpfully, at the end of that, it will give you some more information and ask if you need some further help, as ChatGPT would normally. So how does this work? Well, it was actually very easy to create. If I just take you into the custom GPT, what you'll see is that as you do with any custom GPT, it's quite intuitive. You can set your instructions. And the key with these instructions was that we made sure that Polly was helpful beyond just the library of prompts, and it would help users to create their own prompts if they didn't have one. And important, we included in the instructions that it would direct people to come to me if they had created some new great prompts so that we could make sure our library was kept up to date. Our library is actually just a spreadsheet, and regularly we upload and change that spreadsheet as we get more prompts in. But we found the tool so effective at creating new prompts while you're using it as well. It's working brilliantly, really. So what does that mean for us? Why is that so good? Well, it has saved us time. It's meant that we've worked together much more effectively, and we're collaborating a bit more on best practice. So now we have a dedicated ChatGPT sidekick, if you like, that is great and handy for our prompt building.